Yo, what's up everybody, it's Your Name, and listen up because today we're doing something awesome. We're about to tackle New York City, the real deal, the city that never sleeps, the concrete jungle, all for under 100 bucks. Yeah, you heard that right. Forget those fancy travel guides telling you to drop hundreds on overpriced tours and tourist traps. We're diving headfirst into the heart of the city, experiencing the raw, authentic NYC vibe without selling a kidney to pay for it. So strap in, grab your Metro card, and get ready for an adventure. We're about to unlock the secrets of NYC on a budget, proving that you don't need a wad of cash to have an epic time in the greatest city in the world. First up, Central Park. This place is like the lungs of the city, a massive green space smack dab in the middle of all the chaos. And the best part? It's totally free to enjoy. Walk the winding paths, chill by the Bethesda fountain, maybe even rent a rowboat for a couple of bucks. This is where you come to escape the city's hustle for a minute, catch your breath and soak in some nature all without spending a dime. Next stop, the High Line. Imagine this, an old elevated train track transformed into a park. That's the High Line, and it's one of the coolest spots in the city. You're walking above the streets, surrounded by greenery, art installations popping up everywhere, and killer views of the city. This is what NYC is all about, repurposing, reinventing, and always pushing the boundaries. Alright, time for some fuel. You can't come to New York and not grab a slice of pizza. It's practically illegal, right? Head to any classic NYC pizza joint, trust me, they're everywhere. And grab a couple of slices. For like $5, you've got yourself a delicious, foldable, quintessential New York City meal. Now let's get some culture in us. New York is packed with world-class museums, and many of them offer pay-what-you-wish hours. Hit up the Met, check out the dinosaurs at the Natural History Museum, or get lost in modern art at MoMA. You get to decide how much you want to pay, making even the fanciest museums accessible on a budget. To wrap up our day, we're hopping on the Staten Island Ferry. This isn't just any ferry ride, people. It's a free cruise with breathtaking views of the Statue of Liberty and the entire Manhattan skyline. Find a spot on the deck, feel the wind in your hair, and soak in the magic of NYC from the water. This is what dreams are made of, and it's completely free. There you have it. A full day of exploring New York City, experiencing its iconic landmarks, grabbing some grub and soaking in the energy, all for under $100. So, ditch the expensive tours, forget the fancy restaurants, and get out there and explore the real New York City. This city is meant to be experienced, not just observed from behind a velvet rope. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more budget-friendly adventures, and let me know in the comments what city we should conquer next.